Top 20 places to visit in Seoul. Your luxury travel story. Welcome to Krosstrail, friend. Today we embark on an adventure to an electrifying city. A land where ancient palaces rise next to modern skyscrapers. Here, Michelin star restaurants mingle with sizzling food stalls. This is a fusion of luxury, culture, and innovation that creates unforgettable memories. Welcome to Seoul, South Korea. Whether it's your first exploration or an aspiration for a future venture, this guide unveils the top 20 treasures of Seoul. Expect insider travel tips and luxurious experiences that define this remarkable city. Let's dive right in. Number 20. Gyeongbokgung Market. Our exploration begins at Gyeongbokgung Market, an iconic and cherished traditional market. People flock here to savour authentic Korean delights, from handmade noodles to delicious pancakes, and tempting dumplings to sweet treats. The vibrant market offers a peek into everyday Korean life, introducing you to the city's rich culinary heritage. 719. Seoul Forest. Need respite from the city buzz? Visit Seoul Forest, a lush sanctuary featuring walking paths, gardens, art displays, and serene open areas. In spring, cherry blossoms blanket the park, while autumn drapes it in golden and crimson hues. This oasis is ideal for a leisurely stroll or a peaceful picnic. 118. Hangang Park. Stretching along the Han River, Hangang Park boasts stunning skyline views. As night descends and the bridges light up, it transforms into one of Seoul's most romantic spots. 117. National Museum of Korea. To grasp Korea's rich history, visit the National Museum of Korea. It showcases ancient artifacts, exquisite Buddhist sculptures, royal treasures, and artwork spanning millennia. Beautifully designed, the museum provides a tranquil and immersive cultural journey. Number 16. Itaewon. Itaewon captures Seoul's international vibe. This eclectic neighbourhood is famous for swanky rooftop bars, vibrant restaurants, boutique hotels, and global cuisines. Whether indulging in Korean barbecue or sipping crafted cocktails, Itaewon guarantees unforgettable evenings. 15. Hongdae. Creative, youthful, and ever-evolving, Hongdae represents Seoul's indie spirit at heart. Where street performers enchant crowds, local artists showcase their work, and unique cafes invite visitors to linger and explore. It's one of the best places to feel the city's modern creative pulse. Number 14. Lotte World. More than just an amusement park, Lotte World merges entertainment with upscale shopping and exquisite dining. With both indoor and outdoor attractions, seasonal festivities, and stylish surroundings, it delights travellers of every age. 13. Bonggunsa Temple. Nestled amid Gangnam's modern skyline, Bonggunsa Temple offers a serene retreat for contemplation. Its vibrant architecture, tranquil courtyards, and time-honoured traditions remind visitors of Seoul's enduring spiritual legacy. 12. Starfield Library and COEX. Continuing our journey is Starfield Library, a must-see landmark. Located in the extensive COEX complex, this public library features massive bookshelves reaching several stories high, creating an awe-inspiring architectural gem. Surrounded by luxury shops, gourmet dining, and entertainment options, it's a perfect spot to pause and admire Seoul's blend of education, design, and modern life. 11. Dongdaemun Design Plaza. Now we visit Dongdaemun Design Plaza, or DDP for short. Its futuristic curves and innovative design position it as one of the city's iconic landmarks. Inside, you'll find fashion exhibitions, design displays, tech events, and installations celebrating South Korea's innovative spirit. After sunset, The exterior transforms into a breathtaking spectacle of lights and shapes. Number 10. Insadong. To experience traditional Korea, venture to Insadong. Charming streets are adorned with tea houses, antique shops, calligraphy studios, and galleries showcasing handcrafted art. Take your time exploring local crafts, or savour a peaceful cup of Korean tea amidst the neighbourhood's tranquil atmosphere. Insadong stands as a refreshing contrast to the modern skyline. Number 9. Gyeongbokgung Palace. A UNESCO masterpiece, Gyeongbokgung Palace highlights the harmonious relationship between architecture and nature. The celebrated Secret Garden features lotus ponds, elegant pavilions, and centuries-old trees that exhibit beautiful seasonal transformations. Strolling through these serene grounds imparts insights into Korea's regal history amid stunning surroundings. 8. Gyeongyecheon Stream. Cutting through downtown, Gyeongyecheon Stream represents one of Seoul's monumental urban rejuvenations. Once hidden underneath highways, it has evolved into a peaceful public space where visitors walk beside flowing waters, illuminated bridges, and landscape paths. Evenings here radiate magic, with reflections dancing in the waters as city lights flicker to life. 7. Gangnam. Gangnam embodies sophistication at its finest. Designer boutiques, upscale shopping centres, luxury hotels, premium cafes, and top-notch wellness services make this area a hallmark for discerning travellers. Whether indulging in high fashion or savouring dinner with sweeping city views, Gangnam epitomises contemporary Seoul. Number 6. Myeongdong. No shopping adventure in Seoul is complete without a stop at Myeongdong. Global beauty brands, fashion retailers, and bustling street food stalls fill every corner of this lively district. From organic skincare to fresh delicacies, Myeongdong captures the city's dynamic character in every sense. 5. Lotte World Tower. Soaring above the skyline, Lotte World Tower is among the tallest structures worldwide. Its observation decks reveal breathtaking panoramic vistas of Seoul, while luxury hotels, designer boutiques, and fine dining options occupy the levels below. Witnessing the sprawling city stretch toward the mountains is a memory to savour. 4. Seoul Tower. Perched atop Namsan Mountain, Seoul Tower offers another iconic viewpoint. Visitors can reach this pinnacle by cable car, shuttle, or scenic hike to witness stunning panoramic views over the city. At night, millions of lights illuminate the landscape, crafting one of Seoul's most romantic and enchanting experiences. 3. Bukchon Hanok Village. Bukchon Hanok Village transports you back in time to Korea's heritage. Traditional wooden homes enchant narrow alleyways, many transformed into art galleries, cafes, and artisan workshops. Every turn presents opportunities for captivating photographs while preserving the essence of historical Seoul. This spot remains one of the city's most genuine cultural experiences. Number 2. Gyeongbokgung Palace. The grandest of the Joseon dynasty, Gyeongbokgung Palace stands magnificently in the heart of Seoul. Visitors are awed by ornate halls, vast courtyards, royal gardens, and architectural wonders that have withstood the test of time. Be sure to witness the colourful changing of the guard ceremony, showcasing traditional attire and precise formations, evoking an important chapter in Korean history. Renting traditional attire elevates your visit, creating unforgettable memories. Number 1. Experience. Seoul After Dark. Our top recommendation isn't a single attraction, it's the magic of Seoul After Dark. Gaze at the shimmering skyline from the Han River, sip cocktails on a Gangnam rooftop, or stroll through illuminated palace grounds. Late-night cafes buzz as the city awakens, blending cutting-edge tech with cherished tradition. Seoul after sunset is captivating, stylish, and infinitely enchanting. Conclusion: from majestic palaces and ancient temples to high-end shopping areas, creative hubs, picturesque parks, and modern marvels, Seoul offers an unparalleled experience. Each district shares its unique story. Each bite offers new flavours. Each skyline glimpse reaffirms the coexistence of innovation and tradition. Whether pursuing culture, adventure, relaxation, or luxury indulgence, Seoul must be on your travel list. Thank you for exploring with us on Krosstrail. If you found this guide enjoyable, please like, subscribe, and activate notifications for more luxury travel tales from around the world. Until next time, keep wandering, keep dreaming, and continue crossing new trails with Krosstrail.